people. Hello everybody, this is AP here. Today I am attending the Milton Keynes Railway Society exhibition here in the Bond Estate at Mount Farm Industrial. It's at 10:30 on Saturday. It looks like it's trying to rain, not good. So, yeah, we've come down to see the model railway exhibition this morning. Anyway, someone's car alarm's going off. Yeah, let's not really waste any more time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. As I say, you can become a member after the 1st of April. Don't join up and renew your membership yet. I've got to sort all that out tonight online. So, here we go. Right, welcome to the Model Railway exhibition, first floor. Here we are, based in Bletchley for almost 50 years, layouts and all major scales, club access 7 days a week. I might join up. Well, with my layout, yeah, alright, it might not be here, but I'll ask. Ooh, sounds busy. Oh yeah, it is busy. Oh, cakes. Oh, you're going to have to refrain, AP. You eat one of them now, you'll probably throw up halfway around the tour. Oh. Right. Oh, let's see what we've got here. Yep. All good. Hopefully there's more on the way round. We'll start with these first.
Stacks and stacks.
Oh wow. The O gauge. All the different gauges. Oh, like the pink train. We are moving with the times. It's awesome.
Yep.
Oh, look, there's the date for the next exhibition. We'll keep hold of that.
A month or two ago, we had
That's like equivalent to the HS2.
They don't actually do that one in double O, in O gauge rather at the moment.
Oh, I just thought with the colouring it looked similar. I remember the railways.
Well, it was a tank engine, but the colour scheme is for Thames.
Oh yeah, I see now. It's a little bit different. Yeah.
There's about 3 or 4 in that colour scheme,
Yeah.
rather than just the black. Plus, I mean, it's harked back to the days sort of pre-British Rail.
Yeah.
But
That's nice.
it's a very simple sort of style engine.
Yeah.
But
Easy mistake to make, I
well,
suppose.
they're going to make one, and because all the hype's been going on because of the 001,
Yeah.
then normally this is what people expect to see. A black engine.
Yeah.
Whereas when I bought this, it was I thought I'd go for a little bit of colour for a change.
Well, yeah, colour, yeah, that's cool. Can't remember, what scale is O gauge again? What, is it 132 or 143?
Oh, yeah.
Like a little control centre, that's nice. All done by your phone, yeah?
Yeah. Well, it's
Wow.
done by phone, tablet, and it's all
All digital now, isn't it?
the Z21 system.
Oh, bet that costs a bit.
If you want to go digital, you can go digital. That's competitive. It's
I'm old school, I prefer analogue. Alright, so that's that all. Ooh,
so
very snazzy.
it's
So you just hit on that one and then you can control
yeah,
that one and that one and you control that one.
yeah. I can control both.
Cool.
You can get screens that will control up to 4. depending
I know,
on
this digital stuff, I mean, I've got my 00 Bletchley layout,
Yeah.
and I've just started doing a Scalextrics layout, and I've got the old Triag track,
Yeah, yeah.
and I've decided to lay that down and modernise the 00 gauge engines to go up a scale.
Yeah, the only thing is the wheel depth.
Yeah,
No. The modern engines will run on Triang track. It's Triang engines won't run on modern.
this is N-gauge, I think.
Come on, Steve, try and speed up speed.
Oh, we've got goodies here. Midland cross country set. Some old Triag bodies from the looks of it. An old Triag level crossing. Nice list there. Wow, look at that for a fiddle yard. Right, there's a nice long walk round there. Now to the next room. As the sign says on the door, more to see.
Hello, I'm Acc No.
Alright. Some more little basic layouts here. Ooh, have a go, there's an invitation. Oh, here we go.
I've got a 1-1-7 pulled back in the day. An all blue one. Funny enough, on inside, it's 9-9. But that one, I do know that.
Loving this one.
And they delivered this one. It's talking
009 gauge if I'm right.
But the bit really sick. But it's nice, I think it's about right.
Look at the lovely little collection of locos and carriages. Cool. Look at the in-gauge layout here. Let's see what goodies are for sale. Stuff I can't afford, but
driving the trains over here. I'm not on there. Stop and then you can start it.
I'll sell four locals one can brew him.
Slowly. The controls in it should be red anyway, so here it comes. You do the other train? The other one. You got double O or Turn it. Oh, that's good enough to start. Too thick, wasn't it? Too thick. Yeah. Could I have one? Yeah, push.
Right, let's have a look. Well, £7.50 for two of them. Got canopy and a sign here for £4.95. Nice little truck, £4.50. Little odds and sods and stuff. £1.50 for them. £1.25 for that. Fencing boards, £1.95. Made out of card. Newsstand. Ooh, nice little bus there. £3.50. Wow. Some little figures there. Hydraulic buffer stop. Extra PowerPoint. What else have we got here? More people. More of them. Trucks. No, 132 scale pigs. There's some old cars there. £7.75. Old Ford Cortina, Ford Anglia, some kind of coupe. Beer barrels for your wagons. Interesting. What's in here? Coaches. Engaged people, Graham Farish. Look how tiny they are. Look, more people. Pico line side kit. £3.50. More people. Trees. Well guys, that's it for your video from the Model Railway Club today. Hope you enjoyed it. I had some fun in there looking at all that. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, donate towards the channel, become a member when I sort it out. I will sort all the membership out tonight. So yeah, that was the Model Railway exhibition. I've got some dates for future venues, so I think there's another one here in June. There's one up in Kempston. So I might do that one, but I think that's not until September. So, but anyway, thanks for watching, and I will catch you later. I'm now going to go and catch the bus home. Goodbye from me, and goodbye from Milton Keynes Railway Society. Right, that's me on the bus home, peeps. I'll see you later.